First, we do this multiplication. 4 divided by 3 times 3. This 3 and this 3 can cancel each other out. So we have just 4 and 40 divided by 4, which equals 10. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. So we have to do from left to right. So first this division, then this multiplication. Okay? Let's do it. So first 40 divided by 4 over 3. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 40 times 3 over 4. And again here we have times 3. Okay? Now, 40 divided by 4 gives us 10. And 4 divided by 4 equals 1. So we have 10 times 3 and times 3, which equals 90. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 90.